Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for a design team. Now before I get into this, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to you. So guys, I was offered by Tammy. Her channel name is My World in OKC. If you don't know her, go by, check her channel out. So Tammy had wanted to create a design team and she asked me to be part of it. So what happened is she sent a few of us a box and it has a bunch of different things to make different projects with. And the box is good for 3 months and then she'll send another box. So I want to show you guys what I got in this box, and if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see me do with this box, I would love for you to comment down below. I've got to get started and make a project for September and then October and November with this box. So I'm super excited, super nervous, and not sure what I want to do just yet, but let me show you what's inside. So this is the box she sent me, and I can't believe all the stuff she fit inside of it, guys. This is the first thing here I'll show you. It's some music paper. So that's really, really cool. She also sent me this napkin, the checker type of gingham napkin. She sent me some, what are these? Coffee filters, I suppose, that she stained or dyed this one, not quite positive. And then she also sent me here this fabric. Look how pretty this is. This is absolutely beautiful piece of fabric. It's like a satin. Oh wow. Also in this box, she sent me this piece of fabric here. She sent me some napkins, how pretty. She also sent me right here this other piece of fabric, another really pretty piece. Pretty decent sized piece too, guys. So I got that with the roses. She sent me here some white lace, that's real pretty. So I got a bunch of that. She sent me a little bit of pom-pom trim in black. Some pretty blings. They're all squares, so that's pretty cool. She sent me this little piece of fabric as well. Very cool. Another piece of fabric here. And then this is the last piece of fabric she had sent me. This is really pretty green fabric. And then I got some washi in the package. And she sent me some little wooden buttons. How cute with the sewing machine. So yeah, this is gonna be fun, guys. Let me know what you think I should create. Alright guys, that is it for today. That is what's in this box from Tammy, My World in OKC. I can't wait to figure out what I want to do, and that video will be coming soon because I have to do it for September. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget guys, comment down below. Check out Tammy's channel. It's going to be linked in the description box. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.